Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the customer support if you are a seller in the Catawiki application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Catawiki section, click on the customer support button. And below the help center section, click on the I'm a seller button. So here you will find all the frequently asked questions that is helpful for sellers. And you can also browse different topics that is really helpful if you're selling products in this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.